Hi guys, it's Tony. Thanks for coming along. Today we're doing a little bit of a cooking video here for you. I'm showing off these 8 Mexican chicken parcels. Crispy pastry parcels with Mexican flavour, chicken and vegetables for, I can't even say that, and barbecue. You'll get that. But guess what? This is what I love about this funny video. And let it focus in. Yes. Produced in Thailand. It's like when Dr. Erger of Germany makes Italian pizzas. It just doesn't work, does it? It's like weird. Anyway, let's just look at what's in it. Right, guys, so make sure that's okay for you. So you've got a Mexican red chicken parcel and a barbecue yellow chicken parcel. So the cooking time should be, for it, I've got a fan assisted oven. It's already on, 30 to 15 minutes turning once. Alright, so let's, enough of me talking, let's open it up and see what's on. Alright, so as you can see, you've got the 2 lots there. Now these were bought in Heron. They were reducing these down to a massively expensive 10 pence a box. So of course, me being thrifty, or tight, or whatever you want to call it, yeah, you guys do. I thought I'd pick up every single box they had in, and I thought, well, why not? I mean, there's not, obviously, these things are party food, but Christmas is coming up, guys. Yes, I don't even want to talk about Christmas. I mean, I can't stand Christmas. Yeah, I'm a Grinch. But these are things that you may want to put away for Christmas. One of them things. Anyway, let's pop them in the oven, guys. I'm going to do this in real time. I'm using his Newstick oven. It's on 200 degrees. I'm going to put them in there. I'm going to pause this, be back soon. Hi guys, so I'm just back again. What I've done is I've turned these up halfway through cooking, just turn them over as they cook more thoroughly, and then I'm going to pop these back in the oven. Okay guys, I'm back now, so these should be thoroughly cooked. We've been on 200 Celsius electric oven, and they've been in for nearly 15 minutes. Alright, they look good, don't they? Yeah, of course they do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plate these up, and we'll see what they look like. Okay. Okay guys, we're back. Let's take a look at what's in it. Let's start off with the barbecue one first. I'll actually just use my hand so you can see that's what's in there. I've tasted both of them and they absolutely taste delicious. This is just for you guys. Let's take a look at the Mexican. Alright. There's basically, there you go. There's not a lot of chicken in, guys. There's only these tiny little bits of chicken. So they're not loaded with the, I mean, it's from Thailand, you know what I mean? If it had been in the UK, maybe different, but they do taste great, and they're an ideal for just parties or whatever. I'm going to probably have some with this yogurt dip, which I did a review on, and the KTC, which is again Thai sweet chili. So again, this will make a good accompaniment for these. So yeah, good product. It cost me 20 pence for all that. Who says you can't eat cheap? So thanks for watching. Here's another quick look at them. Real nice. I love the way that they're just parcel shaped. Nice product. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll bid you good night. See you later.